was in complete shock. It was definitely unexpected. I felt very honored. I was excited about it, to be selected by my peers. But it felt very rewarding to know that, my work that it means a lot to people. I'm fortunate to work with a team that works well together, and I think that's why we've been pretty successful with our students. An individual that I really feel has inspired me to become who I am, it has been my third grade teacher. I loved her class. I wanted to be there all the time, everything that she did, and I think, you know what, I'm always talking about third grade. So I think I've always told myself I want to be that teacher for my students. And just seeing the growth in them and having them come back to me, and after they've gone on to other grade levels, they come back to visit and they come and tell me like their successes and everything. It just feels very, very rewarding. What really motivates me is the way their behavior, their attitude towards everything. It's like, for some reason, they do enjoy coming, to me and stuff, or they're, how proud they are of their successes, whether it's in athletics or in the classroom, whatever it is. Well, they learn to trust me. They know that I truly care. And so they're able to, come to me for anything, whether it's help with their classwork or a problem at home, whatever it is. Well, I had a student that she struggled with reading. And I know she came back to me, she's like, Miss, I'm going to college and it's all because of you. That just feels like, wow, like I'm glad that I made a positive impact in her life. I love what I do. I love making a positive change in my students. I don't know, like I go home and that's all I talk about. Yeah, and that's what I work for. Preparing them for the future, not just for sixth grade. Seeing my students graduate and going off to university, or seeing that they're graduating top 10% or something, makes me feel really proud. I feel like I really did my job.